Tech Grandma here. The biggest password mistake I see seniors making is keeping all their passwords on a single little piece of paper or worn out cardboard. Here's what usually happens. When it's time to change a password, they cross out or erase the old one and squeeze the new password into the same little space. Before long, it's crowded, messy, and sometimes completely unreadable. And then that very important paper gets stored right next to the computer or the armchair where they use their phone. So it's handy. Handy for you and handy for anyone else who walks by. Here's a better idea. At the very least, get a small password book or journal. Keep your passwords organized alphabetically and write clearly with plenty of space. Then store it somewhere safer, like in your underwear drawer, or sealed in a plastic bag in the freezer, or any place that no one would think to look. A little organization and a little better hiding spot can save you a lot of frustration and protect your information. This has been a quick tip from Savvy Tech Grandma. If you'd like my free guide called Lock It Down 3 Safe Strategies for Managing Every Password in One Place, I'll put the link below. Stay savvy.